Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal, which is called Fleur, and it's going to be for the week of November 4th through the 10th. I pulled out so many sticker books today. I'm very indecisive what to do. So I have pulled all of my Happy Planner ones, all of the ones from smaller shops like Live Love Posh, and so on, as well as my old recollections. These are so old, they're probably 3 or 4 years old at this point, but they're still pretty full, and I love using them for Christmas. They're just beautiful. So I want to do something different today, something more fun and a little bit on a different side. So what I'm going to do is actually take my correction tape runner, and we're going to go ahead and create some fun little things. So I'm going to do every other block of stickers, like so. Since it's my journal, I can journal anywhere. It's kind of awesome to do this. So just stay with me if you want to see this. It actually comes out quite fun. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate that. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, you guys are the bomb. You already know that. I love spending time with you guys and decorating and just having loads of fun. So here we go. I'm going to be using several of these books, adding stickers. I want it to be bright and green and red and very traditional and very different. So I hope everybody is ready for the holiday spirits. I put my trees up. Yes, trees, multiple ones. In my home, and it just makes me so happy. So my trees are silver, red, and white. That's usually what I do. If you have a color scheme for yours, let me know in the comments. I'm always curious to see what you guys are doing. You can always send me pictures on Instagram too. I love looking at other people's Christmas trees. Okay, so I'm adding these little snowman gingerbread cookies. I think they're so holiday-ish and just make me happy. They're so Christmassy. So I'm just gonna have fun with all of this and kind of add things as they come. I'm gonna add some Santas, because why not? Look at this jolly man. Like, super cute, right? So I'm just adding little bits and pieces all over the place until this comes together. So there's no rhyme or reason for the way these stickers go. Oh my gosh, I have found the holy grail of decorational pages. So this is going down. I love creating this. Like I said, it's so different, and I'm not necessarily used to this layout, so it's taking me a minute to figure it out compared to my previous ones, right? Because the previous ones are kind of boom boom and done. This one takes a minute because you're trying to layer these stickers where they're going to make sense, because I'm going to put some boxes in between there too. Look at this one. It has like Christmas trees and reindeer. This is so beautiful, you guys. If you see this book at Michael's, obviously, because recollections, grab them because they're worth it. I think I bought these on sale. I think they're like, I'm gonna say 25 for 4 books. Way back when. I really like creating spreads with this. So just give me a second as I find more stickers to fill this in with, and then we'll look for boxes. So I'm just putting those little circles that I never use and stuff like that to good use. And all of these florals, because you know what, I have so many stickers. If I like something, I'm just using it. There's no more saving. I used to be a sticker hoarder 101. That should have been my name, but my habits have changed, and anything I like, I use now. It feels so great, really. Okay, couple more, and then off we go with the boxes, and then I'm gonna do some finishing touches. Yeah, but this is coming out so fun. I'm adding some snowflakes and things like that. I'm looking through the other books to see if there's elements that I want to add. Yeah, there's 4 of them. I'm gonna look through the Happy Planner too to see if like their color scheme would match in here, but not really. And that book is pretty much very loved and very used. So it's another one that I have that I've been using over and over. I didn't even think that I would like the Nutcracker so much, but when I made the spread, it became so whimsical, I couldn't help myself. Okay, so we're gonna use red and green boxes. So I'm gonna layer that. Okay. As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time, so bear with me as we encounter this. Okay, I think that looks better. Let me adjust these. Oh, whole Christmas tree came off. Let's put it back in. I'm gonna kind of put them halfway and into the empty boxes so I can still journal. I think that'll be great. So I'm just gonna alternate greens, reds, and so on until I feel like my spread is finished. And some of them will be darker reds, some of them will be lighter reds. I don't have a rhyme or a reason. I just kind of want to have a little bit of everything here. Okay, so all of these and more, like look at that. I need more boxes. I need green and reds. So I'm looking for that. And yes, my sleeves are huge, so bear with me because they do take quite a bit of space. So I'm going to add smaller ones to journal as well because those are always kind of fun to have. And look how cute this came out, even though you have only like 3 layers of 4 columns of stickers, right? Not a full spread. I think it gives it like this airy space or feeling where it's not too overwhelming. So I think that's a good sign, at least for me. Okay, I'm gonna add tiny little flakes of jelly for me, at least. Like pine cones and acorn. Like all of these little things are so, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna add one more of this because look how beautiful it is, right? So I'm gonna add one with here with the holly and then one right there. And that looks much more filled up. Okay. I'm looking for like the tiniest elements that I can incorporate into this. This way it's going to look kind of more finished. So I'm just adding tiny little stars here and there wherever I have space. I think that's going to look good. And then one of the books had a lot of gold stars in it. Let me add this little holly too, because why not? Look how cute. I love this little holly. Or mistletoe. No, it's holly, right? Yeah. So cute. Ah, I love it. I adore it. So Christmassy. Okay. So this page has a lot of little gold stars. And I know that gold doesn't show up very well on camera or pictures, but you guys, in my planner, it looks so lovely and it glistens with just Christmas happiness. So I'm adding this, and this is where I'm going to be finishing up the spread with all of the little tiny stars, and there's going to be a lot of them because, like I said, I want my page to feel really festive and really Christmassy. We only get to do a few spreads for Christmas every year. Thankfully, I do have multiple planners, so I get to do quite a few within that time span. But I think that Christmas spreads are just so happy and full of hope and full of like a very festive energy. And I really like that. So I don't know if I would do this on a regular basis because you want to have something to celebrate, and look forward to something big like Christmas. I think it would kind of bring down Christmas every year if I did this on a regular basis. But for those couple weeks that I'm planning in my planner, as the Christmas weeks are here, it's quite special. Okay, look at that. It's filling up and I'm loving it. Okay, I need to add a few on the lower part of the planner to make it glisten too, because who doesn't like some sparkle, right? But look how cute. Yeah, I am loving it. Let me know what you guys think about the spread. Like I said, I fell in love with it. I think it came out so good. You guys let me know what you think, and then we'll go from there. But this is almost finished. I'm just going to add a few more finishing touches, and I'll be ready to be popping this back into my planner. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This always makes me so happy to be hanging out with you guys and planning. So as always, thank you. And again, let me know if you guys have these books. Let me know the color scheme of your Christmas tree. I'm always curious to see what people come up with. I'm more of a traditional girl. So there we go. Thanks so much. Putting this back in, and we are all done. Thanks for joining me today, and have a wonderful holiday season. Bye.